Did you know that nearly 1 in 3 Americans have a side hustle? That's right, millions of people are finding creative ways to supplement their income. Whether it's freelancing, selling handmade crafts, or offering specialized services, side hustles are becoming a norm in today's fast-paced world. And that a good chunk of them are making serious bank, like over $200 an hour. Serious? Imagine the possibilities with that kind of extra income. You could pay off debt faster, save for a dream vacation, or even invest in your future. The opportunities are endless when you have a lucrative side hustle. It's true. In this economy, more and more people are turning to side gigs to boost their income, explore passions, and achieve financial freedom. Side hustles aren't just about the money. They're about pursuing what you love and finding fulfillment outside of your 9-to-5 job. Whether it's writing, graphic design, tutoring, or consulting, there's a side hustle out there for everyone. And the best part, you don't need some fancy degree or corporate job to make it happen. With the rise of the gig economy and online platforms, anyone with a skill or passion can turn it into a profitable venture. All you need is determination, a bit of creativity, and the willingness to put in the effort. In this video, I'm breaking down 6 side hustles that can legitimately earn you $200 an hour or more, all from the comfort of your own home. We'll explore the ins and outs of each hustle, provide tips on how to get started, and share success stories from people who have made it big. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future and discover new opportunities, stay tuned. This could be the game changer you've been looking for. First up, we've got freelance writing. It's one of the most versatile and accessible ways to make money online. Now, before you click away thinking, writing's not for me, hear me out. You don't need to be the next Shakespeare to succeed in this field. Businesses are absolutely starving for quality content. They need articles, blog posts, newsletters, and social media updates to keep their audience engaged. Websites, blogs, social media, it never ends. Every business, big or small, needs a constant stream of fresh content to stay relevant. If you can string together a coherent sentence and you're willing to learn the ropes of SEO, you can absolutely crush it as a freelance writer. SEO, or search engine optimization, is crucial because it helps your content get found on search engines like Google. Think about it. No boss, set your own hours, and potentially earn hundreds of dollars per article once you build up your portfolio and clientele. Imagine working from a cozy home office, sipping your favorite coffee, and writing about topics you love. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to get started. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for writing services. You can create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects. Or you can even reach out to businesses directly. Many companies are open to hiring freelance writers, especially if you can demonstrate your value through a strong portfolio. Networking and building relationships with potential clients can also lead to long-term work and higher pay. Don't forget to invest in yourself. Take online courses, read books on writing, and continuously improve your skills. The better you get, the more you can charge for your services. The potential for growth is enormous. As you gain experience and build a reputation, you can increase your rates and attract higher-paying clients. Freelance writing can be a lucrative and fulfilling career if you're willing to put in the effort. So if you're looking for a flexible, rewarding way to make money, give freelance writing a shot. You might just find that it's the perfect fit for you. Are you a visual person with a knack for design? Then graphic design might be your golden ticket. Logos, websites, social media graphics, businesses need it all, and they're willing to pay top dollar for someone with a keen eye and the skills to match. Now, you don't need to be the next Picasso. There are tons of free and affordable online courses and resources to help you master the fundamentals of graphic design. Once you've got the basics down, start building your portfolio and showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. Remember that subject you aced in school? Or that skill you're just naturally gifted at? Well, guess what? You can get paid to share that knowledge with others. Tutoring is a fantastic side hustle that can be both personally rewarding and financially lucrative. Whether it's math, science, music, or even something niche like coding or photography, there are students of all ages eager to learn. Platforms like Schooly and TutorMe connect you with students online, or you can go old school and advertise your services locally. Chapter 4. Web Development, Building Your Way to Big Bucks. In the digital age, every business needs a website, and that's where you come in, the web developer extraordinaire. Okay, maybe you're not there yet, but with some dedication and the right resources, you absolutely can be. Web development is a high-demand skill, and even if you're starting from scratch, there are countless online courses and boot camps that can teach you everything you need to know. From HTML and CSS to JavaScript and beyond, mastering the fundamentals of web development can unlock a world of high-paying freelance opportunities. Chapter 5. Virtual Assistant, the ultimate side hustle for the organized guru. Are you a master of organization and efficiency? Do you thrive on checking tasks off your to-do list? If so, becoming a virtual assistant might be right up your alley. From managing emails and scheduling appointments to handling social media and customer service, virtual assistants are the behind-the-scenes heroes that keep businesses running smoothly. And the best part? You can often do it all remotely, setting your own hours and working from wherever you please. Chapter 6. Online Coaching. Turn your passion into profits. If you're passionate about something and have valuable knowledge to share, online coaching could be your calling. Fitness, nutrition, business, relationships, you name it, there's an audience eager to learn from your expertise. Platforms like Teachable and Kajabi make it easier than ever to create and sell online courses. Or you can offer one-on-one coaching sessions via video chat. The key here is to identify your niche, build a strong online presence, and deliver exceptional value to your clients. So, there you have it. 6 side hustles with the potential to earn you $200 an hour or more. Whether you're a wordsmith, a design guru, a tech whiz, or something else entirely, there's a side hustle out there for you. The beauty of side hustles is that they can be tailored to fit your unique skills and interests. Remember, it's all about finding something you enjoy, honing your skills, and putting in the work. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. With dedication and persistence, you can turn your side hustle into a significant source of income. With the right mindset and a little bit of hustle, you can achieve your financial goals and live life on your own terms. Imagine the freedom of not being tied to a 9-to-5 job, the ability to work from anywhere, and the satisfaction of building something of your own. You can achieve your financial goals and live life on your own terms. It's not just about the money, but also about the freedom and flexibility that come with it. Now I want to hear from you. Your journey and experiences can inspire others. Which of these side hustles resonated with you the most? Have you tried any of them yourself? Let me know in the comments down below. Your feedback is invaluable and helps create a community of like-minded individuals striving for financial independence. Let me know in the comments down below. And if you're serious about taking control of your finances and building wealth, be sure to check out my other videos on investing, real estate, and entrepreneurship. These resources can provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. Be sure to check out my other videos on investing, real estate, and entrepreneurship. Each video is packed with tips, strategies, and insights to help you on your financial journey. Remember, the first step is always the hardest, but with the right guidance and determination, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing about your side hustle success stories.